Hello, welcome to Vishwa Abha Ayurved. I am Dr. Gautami Ambekar Kulkarni. Today we are going to discuss about knee pain. Nowadays we can see that knee pain starts at a very young age. Today we are going to discuss about the reasons and the treatment of knee pain according to Ayurveda. First reason of the knee pain is Vata inducing ahar, which is food, vihar, which is lifestyle, and nidra, which is sleep. Vata inducing ahar includes dry food or not taking enough amount of ghee in the diet. It also includes some sprouts, peas, chana dal or besan. Vata inducing vihar, that is lifestyle, includes having inappropriate timings for the meals or having irregular meal routines. Vata inducing sleep includes staying up late. Staying up late causes Vata dosh to vitiate and increase. It is often seen that this reason coexists with other reasons. In the treatment of knee pain caused by Vata dosha includes Vata dosha pacifying medicines, which are oral medicines. Avoiding Vata inducing ahar, vihar and nidra is very important. Panchakarma procedures like Janu Abhyanga, Janu Dhara and Janu Basti are very beneficial in the pain caused by Vata dosha. Janu Abhyanga is application of medicated oils on the knee joint. Janu Dhara is dhara of medicated oil is poured on the affected knee joint. In the process of Janu Basti, warm medicated oil remains on the knee joint for more than 25 to 30 minutes. All these procedures are used according to different conditions. Svedana treatment is also beneficial in knee pain. In Svedana treatment, medicated steam is given to the knee joint in various forms. And lastly, Basti. Basti treatment is said to be the best treatment for Vata dosh. Therefore, it plays an important role in the treatment of knee pain caused by Vata dosha. The second reason is obesity. As we all know that knee joints are weight-bearing joints. As the weight of the body increases, the pressure on the knee joint increases and then they start to pain. Therefore, treatment of the knee pain caused by obesity is obviously losing weight. Some oral medicines are given in this treatment to accelerate the process of losing weight. But obviously, weight cannot be reduced without following any diet regime or exercises. Therefore, following diet routine and exercise or yoga abhyas is very important in losing weight. Also, various pranayamas like Omkar, Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati and Bhasrika play an important role in losing weight. Panchakarma procedures like Virechan or Basti are very beneficial in the treatment of obesity. Udvartan is a special process which is performed in the treatment of obesity, in which the powders of the medicines are rubbed on the body, which causes the excess fat to decrease. The third reason is osteoarthritis. It generally requires the treatment for Vata dosha. Agni Karma is a special process which is followed in osteoarthritis for pain relief. The next reason is rheumatoid arthritis. It is an autoimmune disorder, but Ayurvedic perspective of this type of disease can be very different, and Ayurvedic diagnosis is made on the basis of the symptoms of the patient. Procedures like Patra Pottali, Agni Karma, Basti, which includes Vaitar and Basti, are used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Important symptom or fact about rheumatoid arthritis is massage with medicated oils may aggravate the pain in this type of the disease. Therefore, specialized oils like Mahavisha Tel should be used in the treatment as per Vaidya's guidance. The next reason is varicosity. Varicosity is an enlarged and tortuous vein or artery or lymphatic vessel. This is seen in people having jobs that require standing for long time. In varicosity, knees pain from the back side of the joint. A peculiar symptom in the varicosity is the pain aggravates by walking. Some oral medicines are used in the treatment of varicosity. These treatments work on the walls of the vessel. Jalaukavacharan, that is leech therapy, is done in the popliteal fossa for the pain relief. Pindasved and Gandush or oil pulling are very beneficial in the treatment of varicosity. The next reason is ligament injury or trauma. According to Ayurveda, Rakta Dhatu gets vitiated because of trauma, and therefore Jalaukavacharan, that is bloodletting or leech therapy, is very important in the treatment of ligament injury. The last reason is Vata Rakta. In this type of disease, the symptoms of Vata Dushti and Rakta Dushti are seen. A procedure called Viddhakarma is used in Vata Rakta for pain relief. Viddhakarma is pricking needles at specific points to relieve the pain. As Basti is the best treatment for Vata Dosh, it is used in Vata Rakta. And also Virechan plays an important role in the treatment of Vata Rakta. Also, various lepas are used in the treatment of Vata Rakta and they are applied on the affected joint. Other than these reasons, osteoporotic changes in the bones can cause knees to pain. This is commonly seen in perimenopausal period and therefore treatment is done according to it. So these are the common causes of knee pain. But as Ayurveda has stated, Purusham Viksha, that is each patient is different and the cause, symptoms and treatment of each patient should be different. Therefore, before starting any treatment, a patient is examined thoroughly, the cause of that specific person is searched for and then the treatment is started. And therefore, Ayurveda has holistic approach towards every disease. Thank you.